This afternoon I have been dispatched aboard towboat Timothy Shea, headed offshore to pick up a 60-foot Azimut that apparently has partial engine failure. My understanding is they're about 20 miles offshore. However, they have partial power and are working their way back in towards the inlet. At this point, we don't have a destination for them. We have not yet secured a marina that will take them in. So I may have to put them in an anchorage and then come back tomorrow to get them. We'll see how it goes. This is towboat Timothy Shea.
Let's go, 2 up, 1-8.
Moving to 1-8. This is towboat Timothy Shea.
Hey Chris, how's it going out there? I'm at the inlet, I saw you going offshore.
I'm headed out to pick up a 60-foot Azimut.
How far out are they?
They were 15 miles, but apparently they've got one engine running, so they're limping in. I was actually just about to call them on the phone and see if I could get some updated coordinates.
Right on. Where are you taking them?
Cay Marine.
Nice. Thank you, sir. Good luck out there. It's a nice day for it.
So far, so good.
Careful, I think around 5:30 there's supposed to be a storm moving in, so just keep that in mind if you can. I know it's not easy to do anything about it.
Yeah, so I know.
Good luck, Captain. Talk to you later.
Same here. Towboat Timothy Shea, moving to 16. Hey, this is Captain Chris with Towboat. Good. I'm outside the inlet. I'm following my original tracks to your original location. Do you, by chance, have updated longitude and latitude? Okay, stand by. I'm going to put you on speakerphone. Okay, can you give me your longitude and latitude?
2909.30.
2909.30.
8053632 west.
Okay, so the first one, the 2909.30, is that like 0.300?
Yes, but now I'm gently creeping my way on a 177-degree track. So I can stop here if you want me to, or I can just keep meandering until I meet you.
Why don't you go ahead and keep meandering? I'll call you back in a little bit if I think there's an issue.
Yeah. So I'm coming, south on a 177-degree course.
Okay, very good. Do me a favor. Put your your VHF to channel 14.
14. You got it.
All right. Very good.
Thanks.
See you in a bit. Azure, this is Towboat on 1-4. Oh, yeah, on your phone? All right.
I was just talking to Chester.
Okay. So what I'll do, you have a boat hook, a pole. Let me get my bridle ready, and I'll pull up alongside and just hand it to you. Do you have two, I'm assuming, two big cleats on the bow? Okay. And then let's do that first, and then we can talk about other stuff in this. I'm gonna go on that side. I'm gonna go on the downwind side.
Thanks for coming to get me.
Yeah, I got it. Got it? Just lay the loops right over it. Don't go through. Might want to put it on the outside of that last. Yep. You all right? Okay. Securite, Securite, Securite. Towboat U.S. Timothy Shea, Towboat U.S. Timothy Shea, Towboat U.S. Timothy Shea. All vessels operating in the area of Ponce Inlet, be advised, Towboat U.S. is currently conducting a stern tow of a 60-foot disabled vessel. We will be entering Ponce Inlet within the next 10 minutes with our final destination of Cay Marine. If you see our operation, please give way as we are constrained in our ability to maneuver. Please drop to no wake speeds. Azure, this is Towboat on 1-4.
Towboat, I'm here.
That's the marina straight ahead of us up here. With the way the current is, what I'm probably going to do is go a little bit past the marina, then have you drop anchor. That will, turn your bow into the current, and then I'll pull up alongside to set up for the hip tow. If you want to call the marina and tell them, we're probably 10 or 15 minutes out and that my plan is to actually go past them and then turn around and come back, that would be appreciated.
You got it.
This long fuel dock off to our starboard side here is where we're going to come into. I'm going to pass here, take us into the anchorage, and have you drop anchor.
10-4. Well, we're going to get some lines ready and fenders. You think you're going to spin me in with me port side or tie up starboard?
Yeah, I'm going to spin you around and bring you in on your port side.
Port.
So I'll be tied up on your starboard side.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to spin us right here, so I actually do need you on the anchor for the moment. It's going to take me a few minutes to tie up anyway, so you'll have time for fenders and lines. Okay. If you want to call them and let them know we're on our way in, if we could have somebody on the dock would be helpful.
They monitor a channel on radio or is it all phone?
What's that?
They monitor a radio channel or
You're better on the phone.
Yeah.
Okay. I guess your generator's running. It's hard for me to hear. We're going to need a helper on that dock. Have you seen anybody?
Straight in on it.
Yes, sir.
line on board. 4 feet. Half shift, keep coming. Valves touching. Start in place.
Oh,
Sorry.
we just do this without damaging your boat when I pull it. All right.
Thanks, buddy.
Thank you. You too. Good luck.
Yeah.
If you need anything else, give us a call.
45 years.
I think we're getting back into the summer humidity here.
Big one, man. Good job, dude.
Thanks.